Hi everyone, welcome to Stage Tech. 20 common English mistakes Telugu people make. Correct your English. Don't say these wrong sentences. Wise mistake corrections. I am coming. Wrong usage. I am coming. Wrong. I will be there. Right. నేను వస్తున్నాను అని ఫోన్లో చెప్పడం తప్పు. సరైనది I will be there. I did not went. Wrong tense. I didn't went. Wrong. I did not go. Right. He don't know. Wrong verb. He don't know. Wrong. He does not know. Right. I am having two brothers. Wrong structure. I am having two brothers. Wrong. I have two brothers. Right. Open the light. Correct English. Open the light. Wrong. Turn on the light. Right. Discuss about. Wrong usage. We discuss about the topic. Wrong. We discussed the topic. Right. Discuss పక్కన about పెట్టకూడదు. Why about wrong here? Because the verb discuss already means talk about. So adding about becomes double meaning, not correct. Return back. Double meaning. Return back. Wrong. Return. Right. Return లోనే బ్యాక్ అర్థం ఉంది. Give exam. Indians use wrongly. I am giving the exam. Wrong. I am taking the exam. Right. పరీక్ష రైట్ లేదా టేక్ చేస్తారు. రివర్ట్ బ్యాక్. రాంగ్ కార్పొరేట్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ప్లీజ్ రివర్ట్ బ్యాక్. రాంగ్. ప్లీజ్ రివర్ట్. రైట్. రివర్ట్లో బ్యాక్ మీనింగ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది. మైసెల్ఫ్ రాజు. రాంగ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్. మైసెల్ఫ్ రాజు. రాంగ్. I am Raju or my name is Raju. Right. Formal introduction. Myself కాదు. More better. Double comparative. More better. Wrong. Better. Right. Better లోనే more meaning ఉంది. Cousin brother or sister. Indian mistake. My cousin brother. Wrong. My cousin. Right. Cousin already gender. Neutral. I am agree. Wrong structure. I am agree. Wrong. I agree. Right. Agree action verb యామ్ అవసరం లేదు. No need to worry. Correct action. No need of to worry. Wrong. No need to worry. Right. Need తర్వాత 2 plus verb 1 ఉండాలి. Return back my money. Wrong sentence. Return back my money. Wrong. Return my money. Right. Back unnecessary. Order for food. Wrong usage. I ordered for food. Wrong. Ordered food. Right. Order తర్వాత for వద్దు. More easier. Wrong comparison. More easier. Wrong. Easier. Right. Compare to more కాదు. Pass out. Wrong meaning. I passed out of college. Wrong. I graduated from college. Right. Pass out. చేతన కోల్పోవడం. I am understanding. Wrong tense. I am understanding. Wrong. I understand. Right. అండర్స్టాండ్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్లో ఉపయోగించరు. 5 years బ్యాక్. రాంగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. 5 years బ్యాక్. రాంగ్. 5 years ago. రైట్. టైమ్ ప్లస్ ఎగో కరెక్ట్.